I wanted something that feels like a proper burger but without a regular bun, so I made this green version and it turned out even better than I expected. You will find the ingredients in the description and I am getting started right away. Into the blender goes a handful of spinach. Then I add the egg and blend everything into a smooth green mixture. Stay with me till the end and I will show you how I make the center so the yolk gives that perfect effect when you cut it open. Now I add the cottage cheese to a bowl. If it has too much moisture, it helps to squeeze a little of it out first. Then I pour in the spinach mixture and stir well. Next, go in the flour, baking powder and salt. I start with about 60 grams, and if the cottage cheese is wetter, I add a little more. The dough can feel slightly sticky, and that is completely normal here. On a floured work surface, I divide the dough in two and shape 2 bagels. Even at this stage, you can tell they will be hearty and satisfying. I like this kind of dough because there is nothing complicated here, and once baked, it still looks like a proper homemade bun. I transfer the bagels onto baking paper lightly greased so nothing sticks and they lift off easily later. I brush them with milk and sprinkle over sunflower seeds. If you want a deeper golden top, you can use egg yolk instead of milk. I bake them in the air fryer at 356 Fahrenheit 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. In the oven they need around 15 minutes longer. Then I let them cool a little, slice them open, and fill them with my favorite toppings. Mine got cream cheese, vegetables, a cutlet, and an egg inside, and honestly, this bun is what makes the whole thing work so well. And that is it, enjoy! If you like simple lighter spinach and cottage cheese bagels like these, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you for cooking with me today.